In the hush of morning light, I hear the river song take flight. Footsteps echo in the trees, whispers carried on the breeze. Oh no, the silence wraps me tight. I feel the warmth of ancient might. From long-house dreams to jungle stone, I walk this path, but not alone. I am not alone. The spirits walk beside me, Iban rhythms in my bones. Their voices rise inside me, from pure kumbu threads to hornbill skies. I carry love that never dies. I am not alone. No, I am not alone. Child of longing, heart of flame, I wear my story, not my shame. Soft melodies interwoven gold, a lullaby the elders told. Even when the night feels long, I hear the pulse of sacred song. In every beat, in every tone, I find my way. I'm not alone. I am not alone. The spirits walk beside me, Iban rhythms in my bones. Their voices rise inside me, from pure kumbu threads to hornbill skies. I carry love that never dies. I am not alone. Oh no, I am not alone.
Aku bersampi ke semangat tuai, semangat bertara raja. Nagai aku, nagai kita semua.
I am not alone. The river knows my name. Even rhythms guide me home, through joy, through doubt, through flame.